How to enable or disable Share Additional OS Regional Format with Sites in Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge includes a lesser-known privacy control called Share Additional OS Regional Format with Sites. It determines whether websites can access your Windows regional format, like date, time, or number display preferences, beyond the browser's own language settings. In this video, we'll show you 4 ways to enable or disable OS regional format sharing in Microsoft Edge, ranging from quick GUI changes to automated PowerShell deployments. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. Configure Microsoft Edge privacy settings. Method 1. Use Microsoft Edge Settings GUI. Let's start with the easiest approach, the in-browser settings. This one's ideal for end users or support teams guiding individuals through manual adjustments. Open Microsoft Edge. Press Alt+F, select Settings, then go to Languages. Scroll down to Share Additional OS Regional Format. Choose one of the following options. Limited, Default, shares regional data only when your system language matches Edge's display language. Always, shares additional operating system regional format data with websites at all times. Never, prevents Microsoft Edge from sharing additional OS regional format data with websites. Method 2. Configure with Group Policy Editor. If you're managing multiple endpoints, Group Policy gives you centralized control. Press Win+R, type gpedit.msc, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run it as an administrator. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Microsoft Edge, International Settings. Double-click Share Additional OS Regional Formats with Websites. Set it to one of these. Enabled allows OS regional data sharing. Disabled prevents websites from accessing OS regional format data. Not configured reverts to Edge's default behavior. Click OK, then open Command Prompt and run gpupdate/force to apply the changes. Method 3. Registry Editor. For environments without group policy access, you can modify Microsoft Edge's privacy settings via the Windows registry. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run as an administrator. Navigate to Look for a value named Default Share Additional OS Region Setting. If it doesn't exist, right-click the right-hand pane, click New DWORD 32-bit value, and name the new value Default Share Additional OS Region Setting. Set the value data based on your preference. 0. Limited, default behavior. 1. Always share OS regional format. 2. Never share OS regional format. Finally, restart Edge for the changes to take effect. Method 4. PowerShell. For admins managing large-scale deployments, PowerShell makes this fast and repeatable. It uses the same registry key we just covered, but lets you apply it remotely or through scripts. For example, to allow sharing, set the value to 1. To block sharing, set it to 2. To keep limited sharing, set it to 0. The general PowerShell syntax looks like this. For the full PowerShell command examples and deployment templates, check out the blog post linked below. Controlling this setting is part of data minimization, a privacy best practice under frameworks like GDPR and enterprise security baselines. By limiting OS regional data sharing, you reduce passive browser fingerprinting vectors that websites can use to track user environments. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Share Additional OS Regional Format with Sites in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.